Alright, welcome back. So let's quickly learn conditional statements in JavaScript. We normally use, we have two main words that we use in conditional statements: if or else. So that's alright. Let's have one example that is very common. Let's score, or let's say exam score. Let exam score be what should we let it be? So let's say 78. So let the exam score be 78. Okay, so in this case now we want let's say if this exam score now, if exam score is, let's say if exam score is less than 40 now. So if exam score is less than 40, can I still remember less than? Yes. So 40. If exam score is less than 40, so because this conditional statement is under function, so we are going to be using our curly brackets. So if exam score is less than 40, right? So what should happen? Document that, right? Document that, right? What should it write? So less than 40 is F, let's say F9, something like that. So print F9. So but if not this, then we're going to say else. Else, that is otherwise. Then if again, because we still want to state another condition. So it's going to be exam score is less than 50 now. Less than 50. So this one, when it is less than 40, so meaning that from 40 to 49. So now in this case, when it is less than 50, so that is 50 to 59, then let's open our parameter, and then so we say document that, right? So document that, right? What should it write after F9? Which one do we have again? E8, or what do we call it here? Let me change this F to capital letter too. so it's usually capital letter. So F9 E8, then else if again. So let me just copy what I have here. What's that? Control Z. Okay. Let me just copy this. So now if there will be no condition after this, okay, there will still be condition, so let this one be 100. Okay, so print A. Are you getting it now? So now the last one may be else. So it's only else now because that's the last statement I want to write. Else. So we say else, then print out. So else document.write document.write what can it be? That is first. So what can it write? Say your score cannot be more than 100. Your score cannot be more than 100. It's showing me one error because I've not put all these inside quotation. So let's declare quotation. Alright, so let's quickly save this, then go and view it in our browser. Alright, so remember that what we have here is 78. So let's see, under what do we think it's going to print out for us? 78 falls under what? Less than 80, so it's going to give us B. If exam score is less than 40, document.write this. So let's check. Okay, so I just realized that the mistake is now I supposed to put all these my documents, all these my strings inside what is it called? Inside quotation. So print so and this A. So if I change the score now to something else, so let's say I change the score to like let's say I change the score to 87 or 89. So let's see what it's going to show to us. So it should be A. Okay, so it's A. So let's now change the score to like 120. Let's say 110. So let's come back here to see what it's going to tell us. So your score cannot be more than 100. So is it working? Now alhamdulillah, it is working. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.